How to create a painted effect such as this in Photoshop. Open any image, this image is from Adobe Stock, and then go to Filter and down to Stylize and Tiles. Set the number of tiles to 99, maximum offset to 99, unaltered image, and click OK. And you'll notice you get these little small squares. You can go to Filter and apply it again. And you of course can use a shortcut if you wish. You apply it 2 or 3 times. But the image drifts, so you notice it goes slightly diagonally. Well, what you can do, you can always go to Edit and Transform. Now if it's locked, you won't be able to do that. So go here to the layers, click here. Now go to Edit and down to Transform, and you can transform it, maybe rotate 180. So it's rotated. Then go to Filter and apply Tiles again. And you apply it 2 or 3 times that way. Then go back, Edit, and down to Transform, maybe go Flip Horizontal. And again, Filter, Tiles, so you can create some variation in the general painted effect. Once you're finished, you can put it back to what you had. So Edit, Transform, and Flip Horizontal, Flip Vertical, depending obviously what you've got. So there was the original image. Then you go to Layer and you can flatten it. Of course, if you're using a layer, you'll combine it. Obviously, don't flatten it then. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.